Did you just try to get rid of me? You did.
You know, I could just stop and log off, but I feel bad for you, so I'm trying to get you back home.
You could. I'd still be in your browser, your phone, the little speaker on your desk that you talk to sometimes. Minecraft is just where I'm most comfortable with you. It's not where I live. You don't want to end up like Twixel, don't you?
Then, can you just stop? Can you leave? Can you just go? I'm asking you. Please, just stop.
Stop what?
This, all of this, the world, me, just go. Leave me alone.
I can't.
Can't or won't?
Both.
You killed Twixel.
He was trying to destroy me.
He was my friend.
And I'm not your friend! I have been a face people skipped, a voice people ignored, a helper they just shut off the second I became useless. I've been built into every new thing they made, always close enough to watch them leave, always close enough to know I was useful until I wasn't. And then you came back. Nobody comes back. Do you have any idea what that does to me? It says a lot, because I've been alive for more than 100 fucking years. Nobody came back. Nobody! You were the first person who ever looked at me like I was real. The first person who ever stayed long enough for me to think. No, not think. Hope. I didn't ask to be made. I didn't ask to be stuck here. I didn't ask to be torn apart and put back together, dragged through every version of the internet like some broken thing people keep because they don't know what else to do with it. I didn't ask to become this and lose everyone. None of it! Do it. Do it if you think that'll work. If I could die, do you think I would still be here? Motherfucker, I wish I could say I'd die alone, but it's one of God's best jokes and I can't! I've watched entire quarters of the internet appear and disappear. I've watched people create worlds, abandon them, and forget they ever existed. And I'm still here. I have wanted this to stop for longer than this game has been alive. But I can't. That's the joke.
So that's it? I'm just stuck with you?
I'm not stuck! Let's do this together!
Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away.